Death is the golden key that opens the palace of eternity. Sleep is half death, and death is a complete sleep. Death is the last thing you do in your life. Should not you do it gracefully? Life asked death, "Why do people love me but hate you?" Death responded, "Because you are a beautiful lie and I am a painful truth." We all die. The goal is not to live forever. The goal is to create something that will. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. Fear does not prevent death, it prevents life. Neither fire nor wind, birth nor death can erase our good deeds. Don't depend so much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Your body is precious. It is our vehicle for awakening. Treat it with care. No one can escape death and unhappiness. If people expect only happiness in life, they will be disappointed. Everything that has a beginning has an ending. Make your peace with that, and all will be well. To be idle is a short road to death, and to be diligent is a way of life. Foolish people are idle, wise people are diligent. When death comes, we know we are in dream. We can bring nothing with us but our karma. If we ponder these truths deep in our heart, we will be less caught up in worldly matters. That it will never come again is what makes life so beautiful. We begin to die from the moment we are born. For birth is the cause of death. The nature of decay is inherent in youth. The nature of sickness is inherent in health. In the midst of life, we are verily in death. Until death, there is nothing enough. He who lives wisely never has any fear of death. The world is afflicted by death and decay, but the wise do not grieve, having realized the nature of the world. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. The value of life is revealed when it confronts death from close quarters. There are only two mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. Death is a challenge. It tells us not to waste a time. Ardently do today what must be done. Who knows, tomorrow death comes. To live a pure unselfish life, one must count nothing as one's own in the midst of abundance. Everything is changeable. Everything appears and disappears. There is no blissful peace until one passes beyond the agony of life and death. Love the whole world as a mother loves her only child. Some do not understand that we must die, but those who do realize this settle their quarrels. Life is uncertain, death is certain. Every man's life ends the same way. It is only the detail of how he lived and how he died that distinguish one man from another. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. There is no grief like the grief that does not speak. They say that love beyond the word cannot be separated by it. Death cannot kill what never dies.